Welcome to RAS classes. Today we'll discuss another pattern type. Just see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2 and 1. Here you can see integer n. I am taking number of lines. So n value, suppose I am taking 5. Here number of lines is 5. So now you can see this is in decreasing order from 5 to 1. So I loop will start from, instead of starting from 1, I will start from 5i. Just see, I value starting from a larger value and with obviously end with a smaller value. So here it will be greater than or greater than equal to. So I will take greater than equal to what? 1. Clear? Then I plus plus. Instead of 5, I am taking n. N value is 5. So here I will start from n. I start from n, ends with 1. You can see n to 1. It will work for what? N times. That is n value 5, it will work for 5 times and it will print 5 lines. Clear? Previously, we taken what? The I value. We have taken the I value in 1 to 5. Here I am taking I value is n to 1. Same, n times. But n to 1 as it is 5, 4, 3 to 1 decreasing order. Clear? Now see. In first line, this is I value is 5. For next line, I value is 4. This is I value is 3. This is I value is 2. Last line, I value is 1. Clear? So when I value is 5, there is no space. When I value is 4, only one space. When I value 3, 2 spaces are there. I value 2, 3 spaces are there. I value 1, 4 spaces are there. Clear? So some spaces are present before printing the numbers. So for printing the spaces before numbers, we have to take one loop, that is space loop for space. Suppose I am starting from 1. Just see, when the s will end, just see, when I value is 5, there is no space. Space is 0. When I value is 4, there is what? 4 spaces are there. Clear? When I value is 3, that is how many spaces? This is 1 space, sorry. When I value 4, there is 1 space. When I value is 3, there is 2 spaces present. When I value is 2, how many spaces are there? 3 spaces are there. When I value is 1, 4 spaces are there. I value 1, 4 spaces are there. Clear? You can see I have taken n value as 5. When I value 5, this is 0. I can write, you just see, this is nothing but n minus I. Can I write? Just see. Because when I value 5, this is n. 5 minus 5 is 0. When I value 4, 5 minus 4, this is 1. I value 3, 5 minus 3, this is 2. So instead of writing 0, 1, 2, 3 times spaces are there, so I can write this space loop ends with n minus I. So n minus I. So that this loop will continue for how many times? N minus I times. So this is space plus plus. Understood? Very simple how this logic will develop. Just see, printf, only one space. It will continue for n minus I times, it will give n minus I spaces. According to I, it will change. Clear? Now see, to printing the numbers, what we have to do? We have to take another loop for j. J suppose starting with 1. Then when j will end, j less than equal to. Just see when j will end. When I value is 5, here I am doing, just see, when I value is 5, what? J value starts from which value? 1 and ends with 5. Ends with 5. When I value is 4, I value is 4. J starts from 1 and ends with 4. When I value is 3, J starts from 1, ends with 3. When I value is 2, J starts from 1 and ends with 2. When I value is 1, J starts from what? 1 and ends with 1. Clear? Now you can see J value always starts from a constant value, that is 1. So I can write, without thinking I can write J starts from 1. Where the J ends? You can see when I value 5, J ends with 5. When I value 4, J ends with 4. When I value 3, J ends with 3. I can say J always ends with I value. Clear? So this is 1 less than equal to, this is I, then J plus plus. Clear? This is N greater than equal to, this will be minus minus, not plus plus. This will be minus minus. Clear? Because there is greater than equal to. So this will be minus minus, not plus plus. Understood? Now see. This is less than equal to, this is plus plus. Less than equal to plus plus. Greater than equal to minus minus. Decrement will be there as it is greater than equal to. Clear? Then just see inside J loop what we are printing. When I value is 5, first time, J starts from 1 and ends with 5. It will work for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 values it will work. Clear? I value 5, it will work for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What it is printing? Same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I value 4, it will work for 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 values, for 4 values it will work. And what it is printing? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can say it is printing what? J value. Printf, this is number, percentile T, then J value. Clear? Now, when it is going to the next line, cursor will go to the next line, what I have to write? When it is going for next I, it is going to next line. For next line, I am just writing what? Printf backslash n. And this is the end of I loop. Clear? Now just see whether this logic is printing this or not. Just see. We'll check. Just try run it. I equal to n. I value is 5. First time n value we have taken what? 5. So 5. 5 greater than equal to 1. Yes. Then s equal to 1. S less than equal to 5. I n value is 5. I value 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So this condition is false. It will not go inside this loop, and it will not print any space. Directly come to this. Then for j equal to 1, j less than equal to I value is 5 first time. This is n. So I value is 5. J less than equal to 5, j plus plus. So it will work for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 values it will work. When j value is 1, it will print j. That is 1. Then j value will be what? J value will be 2. 2 less than equal to 5, yes, it will print 2. Then j value is 3, it will print 3, 4, 5 like this. When j value is 5, it will print 5. When j value will be 6, it will go out of this loop. This thing is that printf backslash n, so it will go to the next line. Here cursor will go to the next line. Then come to here. I minus minus, I value will be now 4, 4 greater than equal to 1, yes, condition true. Then come here, this will be s equal to 1, s less than equal to n minus I, 5 minus 4, this will be 1. So 1 to 1, it will work for once, so it will give 1 space. So in next line, it will be 1 space. Come to here, j will work, start from 1, ends with I value now it is 4, so less than equal to 4, so it will work for 1, 2, 3, 4. When it is 1, it will print 1. When it is 2, it will print 2, 3, 4 like this. When it will be 5, it will go out of this loop and print a backslash n, it will go to the next line. Now I value is what? 3. I minus minus will be there. So it will be 3. So 1, 2, 5 minus 3. This will be 2. So it will work for 1 and 2. It will give 2 spaces here. So 2 spaces in next line. Clear? Same way, when j equal to 1, this j less than equal to 3 now. So it will work for 1, 2, 3. When it is 1, it will print 1. When it is 2, j value is 2. 2 less than equal to 3, yes, it will print 2. When j value will be 3, 3 less than equal to 3, yes, it will print 3. When it will be 4, it will go out of this loop, then print a backslash and it will go to the next line. When then I value will be decremented. Now it will be what? 2. So when I value will be 2, what will happen? 5 minus 2, this will be 3. So it will work for 1, 2, 3, that is 3 spaces will be there. Clear? Then j equal to 1, j less than equal to, this is 2. So it will work for 1 and 2. Clear? Print f j. When j value is 1, it will print 1. When j value is 2, it will print 2. When j value will be 3, 3 less than equal to 2, it will go out of this loop, then print a backslash and it will go to the next line. Then next line what will happen? I minus minus will be there, I will be 1, 1 greater than equal to 1, yes. This will be 1 and this will be 5 minus 1, this will be 4. So 1, 2, 4, 4 spaces will be there. Just give these 4 spaces, it will work for 4 times and it will give 4 spaces. Then j equal to 1, j greater than equal to I means, sorry, less than equal to I means 1. So 1 to 1, it will work for 1 time. When j is 1, it will print 1. When j is 2, it will go out of this loop. Then print a backslash and it will go to the next line. Now I value will be what? 0, 0 greater than equal to 1, condition false, it will go out of this loop. So it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, so. Clear? Now come to another pattern. Just see. Suppose you can see this is suppose 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, then 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, this is 1. Now see, you need not have to change in a loop part because there is no changes in the structure, same pattern, only changing in the what? Printing part. What the changes we have to do? Just see, when I value is 5, first time I value 5, it starts from n, so when I value 5, what? It is printing 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 times this loop will continue, j loop will continue for 5 times and it is printing what? 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 values it is printing. When I value is 4, what it is printing? 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 times this loop will continue. This will start from 1 less than equal to 4. So it will work for 4 times and it is printing what? What? 4, 4, 4, 4. When I value is 3, it will this loop will continue for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times it will continue for 1 value, 2 value, 3 value. So now it is printing 3, 3, 3. You can see. Clear? When I value is 2, what it is printing? It will continue for 1 and 2. 2 times it will print what? 2, 2. So when I value is 1, it will continue for 1 time, 1 to 1 and it is printing 1. You can see from this structure you can say that it is printing I value, nothing but the I value. Okay, instead of a j value, you are printing what? Printf percentile d I. This is nothing but I value. Clear? You can try on it and you can see it will print this structure. Clear? I am just telling, just see, when I value is 5, this will work for 5 to 5 minus 5 0. So it will not work. No spaces will be there. Clear? So come to this loop. 1 to I is 5 first time. So 1 to 5 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 values it will work. 5 times this loop will continue. And what it will print? I will print 5 times. What is the I value? I value is 5. So it will print 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Clear? Then print a backslash and it will go to the next line. I value will be 4, 1 to 5 minus 4. This will be 1, 1 to 1. It will work for one time and it will give one space. You can see. Then when come to this loop. When this loop will end, it will come to this loop. It will work for what? J equal to 1, j less than equal to I value is now 4. So it will work for 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times this loop will continue and it will print I value 4 times. Clear? So I value is what? 4 now. So it will print 4, 4, 4, 4. Then it will go to the next line. Same way. I value is 3. It will work for 5 minus 3. This will be 2. So 2 times it will continue and it will print 2 spaces. For 1 and 2 it will print. Clear? Then come to this loop. J equal to 1, j less than equal to I. I value is now 3. So 3 times this loop will continue for 1, 2, 3. And it is printing I value 3 times. I value is now 3. So it will print 3, 3, 3. Same way, then it will come to the next line. Then I value 2. Now you can see 1 to 5 minus 2. This is 3. So it will work for 3 times and it will print spaces, 3 spaces. So 3 spaces will be there. Come to this. J value 1, j less than equal to I value is now 2. 1 to 2. It will work for 1 and 2. So this I will print 2 times. That is I value is now 2. So 2 will be printed 2 times. Clear? Then print a backslash and it will go to the next line. Clear? Then I value will be what? 1. 1 greater than equal to 1. Yes. Then 1 to 5 minus 1. This is 4. Clear? So it will print 4 spaces. Clear? After this, j equal to 1. J less than equal to 1. 1 is 1 to 1. Continue for 1 time. It will print I once. So it will print I value is now 1. So it will print 1 I value. That is 1 only once. When j value will be 2, it will go out of this loop. 2 less than equal to 1. Condition false. So print a backslash and it will go to the next line. I value will be 0. 0 greater than equal to 1. Condition false. It will go out of the I loop. So it will print this structure. Clear? Understood? This is very simple. Now come to another pattern. Suppose I am taking star pattern. Just see, this is 5 stars, this is 4 stars, then 3 star, then 2 star, then 1 star. Pattern is same. No need to change in the loop part, only changing in the printing part. Instead of printing I or j, we have to print what? Star. We have discussed in previous videos. Same way. Print a star. If it will be $, you can print this dollar sign. Okay. Now suppose another pattern is there. This is suppose E. Suppose this is A, then B, then C, then D, then E. Now see, clear? Instead of numbers, there are characters. So for this, we have to take one character variable. In printing part, we have to change. So instead of an integer, we have to print what? Characters. So we have to take one character variable, character CS, and it starts from A. So character CS equal to A. Clear? Now we have to print what? That character variable. For character variable, we have to write %C, then CS. Clear? Same spaces you can see. No space, 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space. Same. No space, 1 space, 2 space, 3. So just see. First time character variable is I am assigning to A. Now see, when I value is 5. whether this is printing this thing or not. When I value is 5, first time I value starts from n, that is 5. So what it will print? S equal to 1, s less than equal to 5 minus 5. This will be 0. No spaces will be there because this condition will be false. It will go out of this loop. Come to here, j equal to 1, j less than equal to n value, I value is 5. So it will be 5. So 5 times it will work. It will work for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this thing will be printed 5 times. Now see, first time ch value is a. There is no changes in ch inside what? J loop. So inside J loop, ch is always constant. So ch will be printed, whatever the ch value will be printed 5 times. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? So J value is 1 first time, sorry, what? A. So it will, A will be printed 5 times. Clear? Then print a backslash n, cursor will go to the next line. Then what? I value will be changed to 4. When it is going for the next I, that is I equal to 4. First time I value is n, that is 5. When after completion of this loop, it will go to the next line. When I value will be 4, this cs value should be modified to b, because in next line it is printing what? B. So when it is going for next I, you can see the cs value should be modified to b. So ch plus plus I have to write inside I loop. Before end of I loop, I have to write ch plus plus. But outside the j loop, because inside j loop there is no changes in the ch value. Ch value changes when I value changes. For next line, I will ch value modified. Clear? Then now I value will be 4. It will work for 5 minus 4, that is 1. Once it will print only one space. So in next line it will print one space. When s value 2, it will go out of this loop. Then j equal to 1, j less than equal to I means 4. So it will work for 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times this ch value will be printed. Now ch value is modified to what? B. So 4 times B will be printed. Clear? Then ch plus plus, it will be what? C. Instead of ch plus plus, you may write what? Ch equal to ch plus 1 is, it is nothing but ch equal to ch plus 1 you can write. Clear? So ch will be what? C. So print a backslash n, it will go to the next line. Then now see, I value modified to 3. 3 greater than equal to 1. Yes, condition true. This will be 1, 2, 5 minus 3. This will be 2. Clear? So for 1 and 2, this loop will continue and 2 spaces will be there. So it will give 2 spaces. Clear? Now see, come to this loop. J equal to 1, j less than equal to I. I value is what? 3. So it will work for 1, 2, 3. 3 times ch will be printed. So ch value is now what? C. So C, 3 times. When j value will be 4, it will go out of this loop. Then ch plus plus. Ch value is what? Ch value is D now. Then print a backslash and it will go to the next line. Then I value will be 2. 2 greater than equal to 1, yes. This will be 1. 5 minus 2, this will be 3. So it will work for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So 3 spaces will be there. 3 spaces. Then come here. J equal to 1, j less than equal to 3. Clear? Then j less than equal to 2. Then j plus plus. Now I value is 2. Clear? So it will print what? ch 2 times. So ch value is now D. So it will be D and D. Clear? Then ch value will be E. Now see, print a backslash and it will go to the next line. Now I value is minus minus, that is 1. 1 greater than equal to 1, condition true. Then this will be 1 to 5 minus 1. This will be 4. Clear? Now see, 1 to 4, that means 4 spaces will be there. Now see, 4 spaces will be there. After this, come to this loop. 1 to I value is 1. J equal to 1, j less than equal to 1. Then it will work for only once. This loop will continue once. So it will print CS value once. CS value is now E. So E print once. It will print E once. When J value will be 2, it will go out of this loop. Then CS value plus plus. Then CS will be F. Clear? Then print a backslash and it will go to the next line. But now I value is 0. 0 greater than or equal to 1 condition false. It will go out of this loop. So now you can see the structure. Clear? We got it or not? Same structure. This is a very simple logic. All of you understood? Clear? Now see. Just come to another structure. Suppose I am printing A, B, C, D, E. Then A, B, C, D. Then A, B, C. Then A, B. This is A. You can see these are the CS value. So we take CS, one character variable. But you can see in each J value, these are the J value. This is the your line, first line, second line, third line like this. I value is 1, sorry, N. Then I value is N minus 1. This is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like this I value. But these are the J. What you are printing in each line, that is J loop. Inside J loop you can see your CH value modified. So CH plus plus, instead of writing outside the J loop, you have to write inside the what? J loop. Clear? Inside J loop you have to write what? CH plus plus. Otherwise you can write CH equal to CH plus 1. Clear? Very simple. Because CH is modified in the J loop. These are the J. Clear? But CH you can see always starts from a constant value, that is J. For each line, whatever the I value, this is the I value. You are changing I value in each line. Whatever the I value, each time CH always starts from capital A. So I will assign the CH value as A inside I loop. Because for each line, CH always starts from A. So I will not write CH equal to A above the loop, I loop, but I will write CH equal to A inside the I loop. Clear? You can see and try run this program whether this is printing this or not. Very simple. Clear? This is the logic for this. You can see when I value is 5, 5 greater than or equal to 1, CH equal to A, capital A. So S equal to 1, S less than or equal to what? N minus I, that is 5 minus 5, 0. So it will not work, it will not go inside this loop. No spaces will be there. And you can see for J equal to 1, J less than or equal to 5, J plus plus, it will work for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times it will print CS. So for 1, it will print the value CS value is A. Then CS will be modified, CS value will be B. For J equal to 2, it will print CS value, now it is B. When J value is 3, it will print C. When J value is 4, it will print D. When J value is 5, it will print E. When J value is 6, it will go out of this loop. Then come to this next line, print a backslash and come to next line. J I value is now 4. 4 greater than or equal to 1, yes. 1 to 5 minus 4. This will be 1. 1 to 1. Only 1 spaces will be there. Then come to here 1 to 4. 4 times it will work. 1, 2, 3, 4. J value for 1 it will work. For 2, 3, 4 it will work. So for J equal to 1, it will print the CH value. CH value now modified to what? A. Because for each I it will be modified to A. Clear? So for each line it will start from A. So it will print what? CH value, that is A. When J value is 2, CH is modified inside this for J loop. Before going to the next J, CH will be modified. So it will print B, C, D like this. It will work and you can see and you can try run it. It will print A, B, C, then A, B, then A. Clear? Today we'll stop here, and in next video we'll discuss some more pattern type. Thank you.